Twist 28 is a Petzval-inspired wide-angle lens by Lensbaby. Weighing just 140 grams, the Twist 28 is designed to travel. It pairs naturally with mirrorless systems to bring classic, swirling character into a modern 28mm perspective. With its wider field of view, the Twist 28 invites you to work closer, include more of the environment, and let backgrounds actively shape the story. Color deepens, contrast builds, and signature swirl emerges with a cinematic presence that is unmistakably Lensbaby. This is a lens designed for visual storytelling. Its Petzval-inspired optics place emphasis on the subject with a fixed f3.5 circular aperture, keeping the lens true to its character, while allowing the surrounding frame to move, twist, and breathe. Sharpness gathers at the center, while motion and texture wrap the edges, creating images with depth you can feel. The Twist 28 is for those who value presence over perfection and expression over automation. This is creative photography experienced in camera. Get yours today at lensbaby.com.